know you've been wondering, should I get a house or an apartment? The reason why I know you've been wondering is because I got a call from a gentleman with that exact same question, but actually he handed the phone to a young lady who asked that question. And not just any young lady, a young professional, probably like yourself. So, here's the question for you. Where do you live now? Do you live in an apartment? Do you live in a home? Are you used to maintaining a home? Okay, well the answer is, again, the question is, should I get a house or an apartment? So the answer may be neither. Maybe you shouldn't get a house. Maybe you shouldn't buy a home or get an apartment. Maybe you should get a condo or a co-op. You should consider a condo because a condo can be like a home. There's a thing called a site condo, which is a completely detached condo. It's just like a house, except for exterior maintenance. Many times are all taken care of. You don't have to worry about anything except for the inside. Or you can get a regular condominium. Some of them being apartment style, and some of them even being townhouse style. I'm Sean Calhoun with PrettyHomeRealty.com. You can search for these different types of properties there. And if you're shy, have someone give me a three-way call like this wise person did, or leave a comment right here under the video. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Until then, let's get it.